G here from OG Creations. Happy Pride. Now I know we are all aware that the US is currently a burning cesspit of corruption and hatred. And no matter how hard those faux Christians or the known closeted GOPers try, we will never be canceled.
Fucking closet case, motherfucker.
We are important.
Hell yeah.
We bring color to those that surround us. We embrace forward change that betters us and reject looking back because closed-minded bigots are uncomfortable. Let them dream of a world lacking culture, art, music, intelligence, creativity, and love.
Nothing bad can happen, it can only good happen.
I know kindness and understanding are key, but there are times that we just have to look a homophobe in the face and say, "Shut up, you ugly fuck." To my LGBTQ brothers, sisters, and family members, you have my love and admiration for being exactly who you were born to be. Now let's get started. This is a 100% cotton Gildan t-shirt that I purchased through Amazon. It has been soaked in a soda ash bath for 25 minutes, and then using a spin-only cycle, it was spun until practically dry. I place it on my dye rack with a large plastic container underneath it that will catch all that melty runoff while the shirt is curing. I crumble the bottom portion of the t-shirt directly on the dye rack. I allow the top to hang off the edge, but not touching the bottom of the plastic container. I use the small square sections of the dye rack to measure the width of all of my dry dye powders. Let's start adding our 7 colors. Clear yellow, orange crush, Chinese red, ultraviolet, indigo, Houdini blue, new emerald green, it is topped with a layer of soda ash, and then a very large ice cube. It is set aside for 48 hours to process in a 70-degree space. It is rinsed in cold water, and then I slowly increase the temperature to hot to ensure that all the soda ash has been removed. It is then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. After being dried, ironed, and placed into inventory, I added it to my Etsy store ready to purchase. You can get this and similar items by clicking the link above or by visiting ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I simply love this. It is bright, colorful, but still soft and dreamy at the exact same time. If you made it this far in the tutorial, leave a heart in the comments section. Some say it helps with the algorithm, but in my opinion, the jury's still out on that. I hope you all have a very happy and safe Pride. I'll see you next time.